Now I'm going to show you how to create a Cimatron Electrode project from electrodes that has been designed by other software. For example, the other software convert and give you a STP file. Okay, so I have converted, and this is the file, right? So now I'm going to show you how to convert this into electrode, Cimatron Electrode project. Right, so we start from the electrode visit, and let's change the select component. Duplicate is okay, but I don't like the copy. Let's rename it. Right, and the rest should be okay. And then let me double check the preference. For now, I like to change this preference for electrode. So let's change this preference. Make sure the fit offset is 0. But this value you cannot key in 0. What you can key in is 0.0001. Yeah. Then the rest is okay. Then just go okay, and a blank electrode project is created with this part here. So right now, the next step will be extract the electrode. So I'm going to show you how to extract from this electrode into Cimatron project, right? So you just click on the extract, and just click the box anywhere you like, and then I'm going to select this face here. Select this face, and then clearance 0, and then do an auto fit. Okay, fit the size. And I'm not going to use any template because this is a manual operations. And just click OK. Right? So now I have a red surface. Okay. So now actually I can remove it because I don't need that red surface. Just remove all the red surface. Okay. What we actually want is import geometry. Import the whole solid object, this object, and into Cimatron. And let's hide the workpiece. So now this is the electrode, but we are not finished yet. We need to create the blank in wireframe and the UCS, right? NC UCS and electrode UCS. For this one, we can use a template, pre-save template. This template, I have a dummy holder. The function is to show the chamfer direction, right? And just click, and we have the dummy holder. Okay, if this red box don't fit correctly to the model, you can always come to the blank here to refit the height, or to refit everything, or refit the center. Okay, we will refit the red box, will refit according to the model, right? And also you must make sure the chamfer direction from the dummy holder and the chamfer direction of the part is correct. Okay, because we're going to clamp like that. And also you need to make sure this NCUCS and the electrode UCS, the X directions, is pointing the correct way, because we're going to put this electrode like this, or like this, on the CNC or CMM table with the chamfer facing in front. Yeah, that's why the XY directions is important. Yeah. So after you've done this, the next step is to set how deep this electrode will burn. Okay, just to set how deep. Okay, you can actually measure from here. The deep you can measure from here. So you can just do a quick measure. Quick measure. So the burning distance is 2.3 mm. Yeah. This one you can key in 3 also okay. It's a bit more is okay. This is for to tell the systems how deep actually you're going to EDM the part. And so to set the value, you can set here, set burning distance, right? Use default distance. This is for the electrode that you design in Cimatron, okay? But this electrode is not designed in Cimatron. That's why you need to key in your own burning distance. Just like we measure is roughly 3 mm. So if you want, you can put 5 mm, right? Or 20 mm, up to you. But try to put as close as, let's say put 5. 5 is enough. Yeah. No need to be very exact. Yeah. More than what is you must more. You cannot less. Yeah. So the burning system will be that 5 mm. Okay. Or let's say I put 10 is okay. Right? So distance is the distance that the electrode burn into the workpiece. That, or you can call it the depth, right? Okay. After you set the burning system, you need to set the burning area. You need to tell Cimatron which phase is the burning area, because Cimatron will based on this burning area to automatic select a process conditions for you to machine the part, yeah, for you to EDM. That is why you need to define burning area. So how to define a burning area for this electrode? You can always go to EDM setup, right? This is the EDM setup. So under burning phase, you just click here and then come and select the burning phase. So yeah, like that. Like that will be good, okay? And Cimatron will calculate the burning area according to your burning phase. So now the burning area is around 6 times 6. Okay. So based on this burning area, it will automatically select a EVM condition for you. Right. And of course, if you want to, this here also, over here also you can set your burning distance. So you have 2 areas to set it. Depend on you which one you like. Yeah. So 10, if you send 10 mm, that means you are starting from the Z46 to Z36. Yeah. Okay. So we have done for this electrode. Okay. So let's go back and this. Let's go to top view. Okay. Next, I'm going to show you how to create a new electrode with this 90-degree rotated electrode. So if you look at the chamfer, right, compared to this one, it's actually 90-degree rotated. In that case, when you extract, also you need to rotate the electrode. Right. So I'm going to start this. Before I feed, let's go and P90 degree and go fit, because this electrode is 90 degree, right? So let's make a fit. Okay. So sometimes you might have some gap here. So this one we can always measure. So it's 23. Then here we put 23, right? Then it'll be perfect fit. Yeah, it depends on you. If you want to leave some field bigger, also can. So no need to apply template, no clearance. Yeah, the clearance you can go to default and set 0 if you want, right? So no clearance. Yeah, this will be our next electrode. Again, I'm not going to use this red surface. So I'm going to import this, go import geometry. So then this will be our electrode, right? And then we go to apply template and just click OK. And it will automatically create the electrode. Yeah, this is our electrode. And then you must make sure the dummy holder, the chamfer direction, and the electrode chamfer direction must be same. Okay, if the direction is not the same, then you forgot to rotate the electrode, right? So now we have, let's hide this. Okay. Okay. So you must make sure again the UCS, NC UCS, electrode UCS, always pointing to the right direction or towards the chamber, because we're going to put this electrode on the milling taper and the CMM taper with the chamfer facing in front. Right. So after this, then we need to set the burning distance, of course. Let's say 10 mm, another 10. All right. After this, we need to go and set the burning area. So this will be our burning area for the burn area calculations, and okay. So the burn area is 6 by 6, 6 times 6, right? And yeah. So if you want to change the burning distance again, you can change here. And that's it, right? So this is how to add the existing electrode that has been designed by other software into Cimatron, right? So after you have designed, then you can, if you want to generate some EDM code, you can do it now. So I'm going to show you. So I'm going to show everything. So that's 4 electrode here. Not finished. Yeah, okay. And just pause. And then select your, for example, Makino machines and click OK and pause. And I will show you, this will be your G code for your Makino EDM machines. Okay, there's 4 electrode here. Thank you.